Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about the AWS RDS service, right? Relational database service. This is the introduction video. So what is the AWS RDS service? How many types of DB supports we do have right now? What is AWS RDS parameter groups, multi-HADB clusters, right? AWS secret manager authentication, IAM authentication type of the thing, subnet group, RDS custom engine version and performance insight. So I will explain each and everything, right? So what is RDS service, right? It's Amazon AWS cloud will provide a managed service AWS, right, which will use for the database creation, and it is a fully managed service, and we can create custom as well, right? How many types of the DB supports we do have, right? So I will show you right now how many DB supports right now we have available. Okay, so it's a RDS. You just need to search here RDS, okay, and just click on this, right? And if you are going how many server database we do have right now, it's a create database. So we have a Aurora MySQL compatible, Aurora PostgreSQL compatible, MySQL is a standard, PostgreSQL standard, MariaDB, and Oracle and MySQL Server and IBM DB2. So right now 8 DB we can launch over this, right, over AWS console. Okay, and apart from that, what is RDS parameter group, right? Why do we need parameter groups? Okay, first we need to understand, and just hold okay, so what is RDS parameter group? So why do we use, like, so if you are going to launch any RDS, right, and by default I will show you, I think in a default AWS itself will create while you are going. If you are not going to create, so AWS itself will create. But if you want to create yourself and attach the same parameter group with MySQL, so you can add it in the runtime parameter values. Okay, I would say these type of, let's suppose if you want to change some, because this is a managed by the AWS connection timeout, so you need to change this value, and if you have built this custom, so it will immediately impact. There will be no reboot required of the AWS database RDS instance. Okay, so that is the main. Okay, apart from that, multi-HA, like high failover type of the things, right? In a one region you have installed and somehow some downtime came in some AJ, so I think it will serve the traffic with different, right? AWS secret manager authentication, while you are going to create AWS RDS instance, so it will be that will ask for username and password, master username and password. So either you can provide by there, otherwise you can define an AWS secret service, and this will easily change and update by the secret itself. And what is subnet group? It's a, if you are going to launch any subnet, VPC and all these things we do have, right? What is RDS CEB? It's a custom engine version, right? So we have a custom engine version, and performance insight used for the monitoring, right? So let me tell you, it's an introduction video. So parameter group I have already told. One more thing I would like to, it's a option group. Let's suppose is MySQL database we are going to launch. So what we can do, right, in the add options, this is the options. It just and for your understanding, right? Let's suppose memcache related. Okay, you can chunk size, minimum chunk size, disable, enable, and all these things. And one more thing, InnoDB. Basically, it's an engine of the MySQL. It's a InnoDB. So you can change these type of the things, apply immediately and all, right? So this is the thing, right? Apart from that, it's a CEV. So custom engine version here. Just need to select custom engine version. Let's suppose we do have a SQL Server Standard Edition Web SE, and you just need to provide, and AMI ID, you have to install SQL Server Standard Edition in a 1 EC2 and just create a AMI, and you need to provide. So it will create a custom engine version for you. So this is the way for creating custom engine version. And apart from that, parameters groups, right? In MySQL, if I would say, you need to enable journal log. Okay, so we have some values here, right? Journal log. So you just need to journal logs, slow carry logs. Just need to add it here and just update. Okay, and what other parameter? If you want to select restrict from MySQL.slow logs, okay, so you will get the result. These type of the things, right? Timeout, max connections, things we can launch, we can update the values, right? Statement, allow, log files, many more things we can change if you can explore. So that is the things, right? And performance insight for the monitoring, I will show you. If we have a database here, so we have a performance insight, and just need to select the database and enable, and it will be come into the CloudWatch dashboard as well. So this is the things we will create next video with complete database creation and all, right? If you like this video, kindly do share and subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.